U Kyrtong ka BPP u Dr. Ricky Andrew Jesington ula job keput haka election MP syaka Lok Sabha ka balapan mi haka South Tarik Jalio Araja Arpasau na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Na pedeng Henrywet ki bayale lada Kheiñ lang ya kejeng yo vote jang baro asan ngut ki weipat ki Kyrtong na lor u budam none of the above na Nota u Kyrtong ka BPP u dang tam shilak hatsan hajar arspa san pulai vote. U Dr. Ricky Singkon ukur sanlak hanyo puwe hajar hanyo pupra vote. U Kyrtong ke Kongres uba Vincent H. Pala uyo shilak khandai hajar chispa 100 pupra vote. Ke Kyrtong ke NPP ke Kong Am Perilindo ke yo shilak pra 100 hajar sospa pra pupra vote. U Kyrtong ke UDP uba Robert John Karjarin uyo sausau hajar sanspa 100 pulai vote. Nangta u Kyrtong Shimet u Profesor Lakhon Kema uyo khat pra hajar sanspa pra pu ar vote. Bat uba Peter Shalam uyo hanyo hajar arpusau vote.
Well, as you all are aware, the vision of our party is to revive, restore, and transform Meghalaya. So that is the vision of the party, and we will follow that vision.
Okay, and now VPP, of course, when it goes to the parliament, it is an individual party. It's not with any other party. So how will you? What will be your issues that you will be highlighting in the parliament? What are the key issues that you want to highlight immediately in the parliament?
Well, first of all, let's remind you all that when we went for the election, we had a 24-point manifesto. Well, each of those points are important in the eyes of our party, but then as a party we would be sitting together and we will work out, on a priority basis. So, which of those issues would be taken up, that we will let you all know once as a party, we sit and take a decision.
How do you see now you will, of course, in Meghalaya there is not a presence of BJP, but in the center, BJP, they have done really good and they are forming a government. So how do you see BJP?
You said BJP is doing good, but actually they are not doing...
but they are forming government.
Whatever, okay. Yes. Well, we have our own stand, and we will stick to our principle, right, as a party.
So when will you have meeting to decide about the which
Very
party?
soon, very soon. Yeah.